Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. On Friday, March 24th, Rocket Lab's Electron rocket launched two commercial Earth imaging satellites. This time the rocket launched from the company's New Zealand spaceport. The mission, called The Beat Goes On, sends two remote Earth observation satellites belonging to the US company Black Sky into low Earth orbit. About 19 minutes after takeoff, Rocket Lab confirmed that its staff had recovered the Electron first stage in the Pacific Ocean after it parachuted down. The rocket's first stage was retrieved from the ocean and brought ashore by ship for inspection and possible future reuse. Interestingly, the launch had to be delayed because of a geomagnetic storm, which, according to space weather experts, was the most powerful in the past 6 years. Geomagnetic storms are caused by intense bursts of solar wind, streams of charged particles from the solar atmosphere. When these particles interact with gases in Earth's atmosphere, they change the density of the atmosphere, which can cause problems for satellites in low Earth orbits. Last year, SpaceX lost a batch of 40 Starlink satellites after launching them in a relatively minor geomagnetic storm. However, the Electron rocket launch that took place appears to have escaped the negative effects of space weather, and two satellites were successfully launched into a 450 km orbit about 55 minutes after launch. They are expected to join 40 other spacecraft in the company's constellation, 9 of which were also launched by Rocket Lab. Black Sky offers its customers real-time geospatial reconnaissance and monitoring services. Meanwhile, Rocket Lab has already made 2 successful launches this year from its US launch site, the Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. And now it plans to launch from 2 launch pads, one in the United States and one in New Zealand. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.